This is Matt, and this is a video on how to download Adobe Creative Cloud. So I'm right here on the main downloads page for Adobe Creative Cloud. Now you can find this via Google, but I have included this URL right here, adobe.com/download/creative-cloud. I've included it in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that link and you will wind up here and you can forego all of the searching, etc. So once you actually go to this page, it will instantly download. It will start to download. You can see right here it says check the download section of your browser for the installer or find where you save downloads on your machine. So I have a Mac, so it will instantly save. I have a Mac with Google Chrome, so it's going to instantly save to the downloads folder. So it will be inside there, and that's where you need to find it. If for whatever reason it doesn't automatically download when you come to this page, you will click on Download Creative Cloud right here, and you see the little icon just went flying up there. That means that it has now downloaded. Hopefully you found this video on how to download Adobe Creative Cloud useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.